guys, it's Kimmy. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Signing. So this particular package though, someone had last night, it's their first divorce signing. This particular divorce decree, and that's why I always tell people my first thing I teach you in training is never learn the documents. Never, ever. People they want to see the documents. I need to see the document. I need to see the document. No, you don't. You need to know the process. You need to know the process, because in this particular case, this particular person's divorce signing that she had last night, every single page needed to be initialed. So the question that they asked me, our mentee, was, do I need to initial each page with the client? Do I need to have them initial each page? Now, someone else would say that's not the notary's business. I take full responsibility for that whole package. I don't think in my mind, well, I'm gonna go out there and just do my part and they do their part. Bye. No. Typically, I'm like, give me the whole package. If it's 4 pages or whatever, I want to look at each page just for completeness, kind of make sure everything is the way it's supposed to be. And then, yes, I'm going to initial. I'm not going to initial, but I'm going to have them initial each page in front of me, because I want to make sure that they give back a full package. And they may not know that a lot of times. Our clients, believe me, well, half of the notaries don't really know what they're doing. So I'm trying to see how to say this. Okay, so our clients definitely don't know what they're doing. Somebody gave them this package and they say, hey, go get this notarized. Okay, so by the time they come to me, they're thinking I'm the expert, which I am. I want you to be too, right? But it took time for me to learn that, and I could teach you how to do it too, right? So anyway, I'm saying, yes, we're going to take an extra 5 minutes. I'm going to let the client initial each page in front of me. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Now, does she have to do that as a notary? No. Her job is in notarial duties, but I want me and my clients, as the consummate notary pro that I am, I want them to have a complete package when they finish with me. My sister always called during my live. Always during my live. She got to wait a minute. So yes, I told my mentee, I said, take a few minutes, yes, and let them initial each page with you while you're standing there. And then your client is looking at you like, oh, look at this person. All right, now let's go. Right? Who they gonna call back? Kimmy, Kimberly, right? All right, so you're in Pennsylvania. Hey, Zion's Virtue, what's up, what's up? So initials at the bottom of each page. Not every package NDA cut. Not every package. That's what I'm trying to teach you right now. Okay? That's what I'm trying to teach you right now. This divorce signing needed initials at the bottom. The next 10 may not. They may not. That's why I always say you don't know what each document is going to present. You don't know. You won't know till you get there. You will not know until you're there. So you just need to already know what your process is going to be. No matter what. I can go to any McDonald's and get the same cheeseburger. Anywhere. Anywhere. Because they have a process. It doesn't matter if I go to Michigan, Alabama, California, hamburger tastes the same. I don't care. Give me a cheeseburger. That's my favorite thing at McDonald's. Just a plain old cheeseburger. Regular old cheeseburger. I do like chicken nuggets too. But my point is, they've been making that cheeseburger the same way for 55, 200 years, whatever. However long a McDonald's been around. Take a bun, squirt of that mustard ketchup, put the bun, put the hamburger, put the piece of cheese, or them little dried up onions, and wrap it up. That's the process. Every single time. It don't change. It does not change. So I believe in processes. I believe in processes. Let's see. Sheena. Hey, Sheena. How are you? Hello. I'm late, but I wanted to hear the gem of the day. Yeah, we dropped quite a few, actually. I'm about to go live in the group too, Sheena. As soon as I get off of here, I'm going to go live over there for 15 minutes. So I'm going to do a phone call. Well, I'll be on a video. So I'll say phone call, but I'm actually on video over there. So let me talk about the chat really quick, the community really quick, guys, for those of you who may be new. So you have 2 options to work with us. You have the $27 plan, which gets you access to your 5 major courses plus weekly live training / coaching. Every week we meet together, one group. Then you have the $47 plan that gives you access to all 16 or 17 courses. And then in addition to that, we meet together weekly with the same $27 group. We all meet together. Nobody know who paying what. We all meet as one family. And then the $47 people, though, we also have a private group me chat. And sometimes in there, I will also pop up and go live just to kind of get a pulse. What's going on? People need some help. What's up? Because we meet weekly, but occasionally I have a few more minutes in my day, so I don't mind popping on like I'm getting ready to do it right now. Probably Sheena at 1:15, 1:20. I'm gonna put it in the group, okay? Because I'm gonna stay here 6 more minutes and then I'm gonna hop on over there. So our live chat though, and the benefits of being in the $47 package is, especially once you start doing your signings, that's when you're gonna really need the $47, because we'll be able to help you as you get stuck in real time. Now, if I got a little bit more time on my hand and you got a little bit more time on your hand, every moment is a teaching moment. That chat be on fire. The chat runs 7 days a week, 7 days a week. Nobody else offers what we do in that chat. Nobody. I can guarantee you that. Nobody. I'm very proud of it too. I really am. That's how we've been able to do it so long too. It's successful. So I don't get on here. I wouldn't be able to get on here every day and if it's not being successful. People would tell you. They will tell you. Now, that's what I was going to go with this piece of this chat too. So if I got enough time, you got enough time in between your signing and you got a question and it could be a teachable moment, we're going to go there. What do you think about this? Why should we do that? Because y'all know I'm a teacher by nature, right? I love teaching and educating you. And that's how I know you're going to be successful. If I just tell you the answer, yes, they sign there. No, they don't sign there. Well, why not? I'm a Y kid. I grew up white, a Y kid. Why? My parents would say something, I'm like, okay. Why? Fortunately, I grew up in a house where I could ask that. Okay, because most kids would get your mouth slapped for asking why. I need to know why you want me to do it. Why? And it takes more work to teach like that. It really does. It's easy just to tell somebody, go do this, go do that, do this, do that. And you don't grow up to be a thinker. You can't grow up and handle your life. So right now, and I'm going to go there right quick. I'm going to try not to get emotional. I don't think I will. I think this is a good day. But had my parents not raised me that way and taught me how to think for myself, now they was pretty strict. Okay? Bill and Bobby, you're going to do what they say. That's their house. I grew up in that kind of house too. This is my house. Now you get your house, you're going to do what you want to do. Okay? This is my house. So, however, they would allow us to question, well, what about this? Or why that? So, I'm so grateful that my parents were who they were, because I lost my dad in 2020. I lost my mom in 2022. Okay? And a lot of times I feel like I'm in this world by myself. But your girl can think. My parents were they were not educated people like that educated. They was other kind of educated people. Okay? Deep South, don't play, handle their business. I got all that from them. So your girl don't play. I can handle my business, you know? I've been married for a very long time. I love my husband to death, but something happened to him. Either way, just say, he ain't going nowhere, God willing, right? I don't never say never what somebody gonna do. But your girl know how to handle herself. I know how to handle my business, right? And a lot of people today, they do not. They have zero clue of how to handle anything. And I see it sometimes in the group. I'm like, But then I have to think about it. Everybody wasn't raised like I was. Everybody didn't have somebody to teach them and train them even basic stuff. So that's why our next week's session, our live session, is going to be about customer service. It is. I come from a big customer service background. Very big on customer service. Even in notary educators, I don't play around. People are like, you actually called me? You actually helped me get back into my account? You actually helped? Yeah, because if you're paying your money, I want to make sure you can access your courses. You know, people are like, well, I lost my email. I can't get in the group me. And I actually had that phone call too. When I get off my other live, I'm going to help that person. But yeah, I'm very big on customer service. I run customer service over here, guys. I don't play. I don't tell you one thing on YouTube and then, over notary educators is something different. No, we walk the walk and we talk the talk. Yeah, for real. So some people may not like some of my teaching sometimes or the way I teach, because if you ask me a question and I think you should know that, you've been with me for a long time, and you ask me what goes here and it's the date, we got a problem. Why? You don't know the date goes there, then that means either I failed you, right? Or you just not paying attention. And that's what sometimes I'll tell my people, and some people don't like it. And it's okay. It's very few. But if you're humble, like I was saying about my husband when we first started talking earlier, my husband is very humble. I could tell Jeffrey, Jeff, da 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 da. He's like, okay, okay. He'll listen. He's a very humble man. He's a very humble man, and that's one thing I've always appreciated about him. And he'll tell you, you may know more about this than I do, you know. But some people are so haughty, so I'm this, I'm that, I'm educated, and you're gonna tell me to do what? Who you think you are, you know? And it's like, I'm just trying to help you. You know your business when it comes to being a nurse, okay? But I know my business when it comes to being a notary. So now, who you gotta listen to? If I'm at your place at the hospital, I gotta listen to you, right? Because you know what you're talking about. But when you come over in Kim's house, Kimmy's house, Kimberly's house is a notary space. I know that. Okay? So I know what's gonna help you to succeed. And I'll get a very few. I mean, I can count. It's been like 3 people that came through mentorship that were like, I don't really like that. I don't like it. I thought I could ask a question. You can, Sugar Plum. You can. But if you're asking me, do I write the date here? That's a problem. So I need to get to the bottom of it. What is the problem? Is it me as the educator, or is it you as a student? Was it not clear? Let's get to the bottom of it. And see, that's where true education happens, right? If I just say write the date every single time, you're not going to learn what really needs to happen. What's the process, right? So I've had a few people that don't particularly care for that. But like I said, if you had a side and you sitting there right there with your client, because I had one person in mentorship, she's really good about that. She's like, I'm sitting here with the client. I need the answer. I appreciate that, because that lets me know, hey, I don't have time for no whole teaching spell. Just tell me what I need to know so I can get done with this person. So, and that's cool. That's relationship. That's how you form relationships. All right. Mostly says, how is most of your notary work in other states than Georgia? How is most of your notary work in other states? Oh, because my client, I think I understand your question. You're saying if I'm in Georgia, why is more work coming from other states? Because people relocate to Georgia, or they're selling properties in other places, and now they live here in Georgia and their documents are coming here. We have a lot of Floridians that move here, a lot. Or people have rental properties in other places. So their documents from those places have to come here to where the person is living now in Georgia. Yep. So most of my documents do not even originate in Georgia. Yep. Especially my loan signings. And don't forget too, I'm in an attorney state. So certain documents, even though there are a lot of closings happening in Georgia, a lot of the actual Georgia properties, I won't ever have anything to do with, because I am in an attorney state. And that means an attorney has to process it. Okay. Mostly, if you're in Georgia, I would challenge you to look at my book for Georgia that I wrote. Actually, each state has their own book. Okay. But I'm explaining the process to you right now. So in the state of Georgia, again, certain documents I will never touch because I'm in the state of Georgia. Okay. But my clients are nationwide. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. I see we got a few people just hopped on. If you have a question, you got about 2 minutes, because I always like to try to stay and help those that just hopped on last minute. 2 minutes. If you have a question, I'm going to let you ask it. If not, I'm going to move on, because I need to go talk to my actual group in the mentorship. But check us out, notaryeducators.com. Again, you have 2 points of entry to work with us. That's either the $27 or $47. And every week we meet live, literally every week. You can even have access to the replays, okay? So even though you're signing up now, you get access to 2 years worth of information. Almost 2, okay? And actually, let me take that back. Because the other mentorship, because we had one before this, those videos are not uploaded yet. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. I think I'm going to put them on here as part of my subscription on YouTube, because the gems be dropping, y'all. I'm telling you, this ain't nothing what we do. What we do on YouTube is a blessing to many. It's a blessing. I had so many people say, girl, I started my business over there. I learned how to do this, and I'm happy. But I had one of our mentees just recently say, I learned a lot from you on your free stuff on YouTube. She was like, you kill it on YouTube. I mean, you drop gems all day long. She said, but when I joined mentorship, that's when I started my business. Booyah! I was like, because I get that question all the time. Kimmi, when you get so much information here on YouTube, what else could there be? We meet every week, 52 weeks out the year. So it's something, y'all. Believe me when I tell you. All right, guys, I got to go now. On behalf of Notary Education with Kimmi, always a pleasure. I will see you over in mentorship. Don't forget, 27 or 47, whichever you choose, per month. Check out the plans. Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you. Like the video. And then I'll see you over in chat or in coaching. Okay, bye. Gotta go. Much success. NotaryEducators.com. Bye, guys.